Your deposit will usually be 5 to 10% of the price of the share you're purchasing, not on the full market value of the property. So, for example, if a property costs $500,000 and you purchase a 25% share which equates to $125,000, a 5% deposit of your share would be $6,250, while a 10% deposit would be $12,500. If you have the funding available, you may find it beneficial to put down a larger amount on your home, as reaching a 10% deposit or higher significantly reduces the interest rate you'll be offered on your mortgage. Both the Help to Buy ISA and Lifetime ISA can be used to purchase a shared ownership home. However, it's worth noting that the Help to Buy ISA actually closed to new applicants back in November 2019, so you wouldn't be able to open an account now, but you can still open a new Lifetime ISA. On top of your deposit, there's likely to be a number of other fees incurred when buying a home. Housing associations will usually recommend that you have between £3,000 and £5,000 available to cover this, including solicitor fees, broker fees and removal costs. In order to buy a home, you'll need to be able to take out a mortgage, so if your credit history stops you from doing this, then you likely wouldn't be able to proceed. However, just having a low credit score won't completely rule you out, as lenders don't just take this figure into consideration. Instead, they will look at many factors when scoring you, one of which will be your credit score value. While you can't have a family member loan you money to put towards your property purchase, they can assist you by gifting money towards your deposit. In regards to guarantors, under the terms of the shared ownership scheme, guarantors aren't actually permitted. If you're unsure that you meet the affordability criteria for a home, we would suggest seeking independent financial advice to discuss your options. The rent is a percentage of the share that's still owned by the housing association and is usually 2.75% and no more than 3%. However, the exact percentage is likely to vary depending on the development, so it's always worth checking with a relevant sales team who will be able to advise how the rent has been calculated for the home you're interested in. Many shared owners will pay a monthly service charge to their housing association, which covers a variety of things including insurance for the development and maintenance to communal facilities or areas such as gardens, lifts and concierge services. Your service charge will be reviewed at the end of each year, and the amount collected from residents at your development will be compared with how much has been spent on items such as communal cleaning, gardening and general maintenance, and adjusted accordingly. At the very end of the financial year, your housing association will be able to provide you with a copy of the audited accounts and clearly explain if there needs to be any changes to your service charge for the year ahead.